This video is going to describe how to update progress and eligibility for CYEP customers. From your CYEP partner page, click on the link that says CYEP Partner Tools. It will take you to a login page. Once you have logged in, it will take you to the customer groups page. Then you will click on the Community Youth Employment Program group, which will take you to your list of customers. If you want to work on a particular item from a dashboard, you would click on the dashboard that you want to work on, and then go to the list of the customers where you need to take action. I am going to click on this customer right here where the eligibility has not been verified. This is a customer that I just put in just for this demonstration. I will click on this customer's name to take me to their file in Illinois Workday. Once we arrive on the customer's page, we land on the application page. When you are working with the customer, if you need to edit any of the information that the customer entered on their application, all you have to do is click on this Edit This section. It will take you to that portion of their application, and you can make any changes. Perhaps they didn't understand one of the questions, and you can help them change the answer to the correct answer. Once you've done that, you go to the Progress page by clicking on that tab. You'll see instructions that you can click on to find the written directions for what I'm about to demonstrate to you. You'll want to include contact information for the customer. If there's more than one contact for that customer, you can add more than one. I'm going to click on my practice user right now and update. It tells me that the contact has been added. If I view contacts, I can see all of the contacts that have been added for this customer. Then we want to verify initial program eligibility. These items are what the customer filled out on their application. You will need to verify those items. Just go down the list. During your interview with a customer, you can actually have this open. You can ask them their age, verify it by whatever means you use to verify that information, if it's driver's license or other documentation. Do they live in Illinois? Are they authorized to work in the United States? Are they currently in school? Do they have a high school diploma or equivalency? You would just change that answer if it's different than what they answered. Then with the eligibility requirements, there are certain items that have to be applicable if they are going to participate in the program. You will discuss their potential challenges with them, and if you verify that they are accurate, you will check the items. If you add any additional ones, then you have to check both columns. So we're going to just go down and check the items on their list. And then, yes or no, did you hear about the program through their local FCRC, DHS FCRC? If you cannot verify any of the information, you would check this box that says unable to verify, and then it would move the customer into that row on the dashboard. Once you're done with that section, click Save, and it will move to the next section, which is the enrollment status. What type of customer are they? In school or out of school? And are you going to enroll and verify them? Are they going to be on a waiting list? Are they declining to participate? Or are you not willing to enroll the customer? So we're going to enroll and verify eligibility on this customer. Next, we have performance measure deliverables. When you have accomplished a particular piece with each customer, this red circle with the minus will change to a green circle with a plus. So as you complete these pieces, all of these items will change to a green, showing you where you have actually achieved performance results. And then when you're ready to close the case, there is case closure information here. And if you need to upload any documents, you would click this section. Perhaps you need to make a copy of their birth certificate. You would upload the document here, choose a file that you want to upload, and as you can see, you can only upload certain types of files. Add a description so that you don't have to open every file, and that way anybody looking at the file will know what that document is. Click upload, and the document is right there. That's all that we have today for the progress. Check back on one of our other videos for career plan, case notes, assessments, and our other tools. Thanks for watching.